So this little hole right here, typically when your water pump goes out, if you're losing coolant and your water pumps went out, it'll more than likely be pouring out of here. I believe they call it a weep hole, but yeah, anytime you've got water, when water comes out of that, your water pump's bad. And if you can see right here, you see this little rust trail right here? Look where it's going. I could not figure out why in the world this thing kept leaking, because it wouldn't really pour out a lot more when the motor was running and when you pressurized it. So, but if you look, you can see where that little trail is running right down here. So more than likely that's why it was dripping and it'd pour whenever you started the truck up. And to those who have never seen how a water pump actually works, when the motor is running, this thing right here is turning, allowing it to circulate the water through the engine, which technically you don't want to use water, but coolant. I can see there's some other junk right there. So yeah, this thing was probably definitely due for a change. So that'll be getting changed out. But if your engine starts pouring water and you've not figured it out from any other area, that right there might be the reason. So please like and subscribe, and please let me know what you think.